Ladies and gentlemen, live from the London Philharmonic Orchestra, a man that needs no introduction, a man that has warmed the hearts and stages of many. Ladies and gentlemen, the one, the only, Luciano Pavaroty. I play very exquisite music for those of you people that love exquisite music. I will play for you one of these such musics. As I sit down beside my black and white keys, playing for you musics of a certain sorts. Musics of a certain sorts of a certain people. I start with these keys. You hear that key? That key say, I was there in love with you. I was there in love with you. I met this girl today. She said she has a different man for every occasion. I said, do you have a boyfriend? She said no. Do you have a girlfriend? She said no. So I have a different man for every occasion. I said, what do you mean by this? You got a different man for every occasion. She said, let me tell you now, like this one here that just called me. He's my pizza and milkshake guy. I say, what you got the milkshake and pizza guy? She said, yes, I got the milkshake and pizza guy. So every Friday, he buys me pizza and milkshake. Every Friday, he buys me pizza and milkshake. I say, this girl, she got a different guy for every occasion. That's true. Then I saw another text come in, and I say, beside it, it said, this is Red Hills. I say, who's that? She said, this guy is my Red Hills guy. I say, you've got a Red Hills guy? She said, yes, because I got a different guy for every occasion. I said, what do you mean by your Red Hills guy? She said, yeah, you know I live all the way in the country and sometimes I don't feel like going home, so I rest by my Red Hills guy. I say yes, she say yes, so because I got a different guy for every occasion, for every occasion. And then I saw the phone ring, and then I say, who's that? She smiled so big and wide, and she said, now that's my baby. I was so surprised. I looked into her eyes and I said, but this man, he looks like he could be about 50. But she said, yes, I get a different guy for every occasion. She said, yes, she got a different guy for every occasion. For every occasion. For every occasion, yes, right. She got a different guy for every occasion. For every occasion, yes. That's right. She said she got a different guy for every occasion. For every occasion. If it looks like my hair is receding, it's because it is in fact receding all the way to the back. Thank you. Luciano Black Rotty.